How to like a game on Roblox mobile. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, simply launch your Roblox application. The process of liking a game is very simple. Simply go to the home and then you will find several games here. Now in order to like, simply find the game that you want. Tap on the game and then you won't be able to like it before you play the game, but after you have played the game you will get an option of liking the game as well. However, you can add it as your favorite, but liking it will need you to play the game first, and then only after that you will be able to like the games. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.